Hey, friends of Life Journey. I've got a story for you today that's all about combining the love for adventure with a touch of classic style. Imagine cruising down a scenic highway behind the wheel of a beautifully restored classic cars. Life is short, and there's no better way to explore the world than in a car that turns the journey itself into an unforgettable experience. Now, you might be wondering, why a classic cars? Well, these cars aren't just vehicles, they're timeless pieces of art. Restoring one is like breathing new life into history. The craftsmanship, the elegance, and the sheer presence of a classics can turn any trip into a grand adventure. Let's dive into what makes this experience so special. First, the restoration process. Taking an old, perhaps forgotten Mercedes and meticulously bringing it back to its former glory is a labor of love. It's about preserving a piece of automotive history and ensuring it can be appreciated for generations to come. Every detail, from the polished chrome to the hand-stitched leather seats, tells a story of dedication and passion. Once restored, these cars aren't just meant to be admired, they're meant to be driven. Picture this. You're on an open road, the landscape rolling by, and there's a sense of freedom that only a road trip can provide. But when you're behind the wheel of a classic cars, it's more than just a trip, it's an experience. Every twist and turn on the road feels like a dance. Every mile, a memory in the making. Traveling in style isn't just about car. It's about embracing the journey. It's about taking the time to appreciate the little things, the changing scenery, the people you meet along the way, the stories that unfold. So, why not make your next adventure one for the books? There's a big, beautiful world out there just waiting to be explored. Grab the keys, hit the road, and let a classic cars be your companion on the journey of a lifetime. Thanks for tuning in, adventure lovers. Until next time, keep exploring and live life in style.